Hey, this is Rich and Dave again, and we're today working on putting the Durock cement board around the shell of the fireplace so we can get the tiling. It's pretty simple. It's very much like drywall or cutting plywood, only you cut this with a masonry blade. Cuts real easy. It's a little dusty so you don't breathe it. Pretty lightweight. Now I cut it to have a 1/2 inch overlap so the next piece can butt up against it. Huh? Alright, so we're just using these, what are they called? Rock-on screws, 1 1/4 inch. They're made just for the cement board, have really fat heads.
We've just begun putting the Durock on the fireplace, and so once that is on, then we are going to be able to adhere our tile to the Durock. And we did actually finally settle on a tile. We're going to go with this front one here. It's gray and white, and it should look really great in this room. So here is the progress on the fireplace. Caleb's been putting on some more of this Durock. So now just have the sides to go. Right, the Durock's been added to this side now, and we're just finishing up the other side. There we go. Looks like that fit right on there. Hooray. Looks like it's all finished. Alright, the Durock has now been attached to the complete fireplace surround, and we are ready for tiling. We posted a video previously where we show you how we built the frame and installed this ventless fireplace. Alright, so this is how the fireplace turned out. We made another video where we show you how we put this stone veneer surround on this fireplace, and we'll put a link to that video right there. The stone veneer comes in all kinds of different colors and textures, and it really brightens up a room. All right, I hope this video helps, and thank you very much for viewing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. We have a ton of home improvement videos on the way, and we'll see you in this next video.